So after 40 years, I needed to replace the breather hoses on my G-Wagon, and I've done the diffs in another video. This is the front of the transfer case, and that's the 15mm bolt securing the banjo fitting to which the 8mm nylon tube attaches. Again, this is on the front of the transfer case, and you can see it, the hose running up there after I'd replaced it, behind the two diff lock levers. Detach the front diff lock lever so you can push it up to get access for this task. Then take it off with a 15mm wrench, which is not that easy. There is a crush washer attached on the bottom as well, which you do not wish to lose. Just showing you it's a 15mm pipe. And then you heat that hose up in some boiling water and fit it. That pipe is pretty rigid, so yeah, you got to get, that's not so easy. Soften it up and then use some pliers to force it on. And this isn't MB stuff. I couldn't find the code for that, so I've used generic tubing. And then this just runs up to the front of the car. And so this is with it back in place on top of the transfer case, above one of the flanges coming off. You can see just there the two diff lock levers in front of it. I'm sorry, this is terrible footage. And that's my 3 breather hoses running up to the fitting.